Hello guys, Chef Henry here with his weekly commercial food preparation classes, and today's topic will be breakfast. So, what would you say is breakfast, anybody in your own word? And guys, breakfast have so many different definitions, but today we're just going to be focusing on three specific definitions. Number one, to break one fast in the morning. Thank you. And breaking one fast in the morning could simply mean the first meal of the day, and to eat breakfast, to eat the first meal of the day after a night of not eating, or to conclude any period of fasting by consuming food. So guys, example could be you go to sleep, you wake, the first meal or the first food that touch your mouth would be breaking the fast because you haven't ate all night. Number two, verb. A meal consisting of food normally eaten in the morning. Which may typically include eggs such as toast, bacon, cereal, tea, etc. So that is a typical breakfast. These are some examples. Breakfast also can be defined as the first meal in the day, or that is which is eaten at the first meal, which means the first thing you eat for the day. So basically all the meanings that we have got so far is saying it's the first meal that you eat each day, whether it is in the morning or in the evening. That is breaking the fast, the first meal that you eat in the day. So why is breakfast important, anybody? Breakfast is important in so many ways. Health wise, why do you think that breakfast is important? Yes, you. Why do you think breakfast is important? That we delete. So again guys, why do you think breakfast is important? Well, breakfast provides many benefits to our health and well-being. Breakfast provides the body and brain with fuel after an overnight sleep. And you know that without gas, a car cannot move. So without food, your body won't be able to perform properly. And that is where its name is originate from, breaking the fast breakfast. Without breakfast, you are effectively running on empty, like trying to start the car without no fuel. So without fuel, the car wouldn't be able to run, and without breakfast, your body wouldn't be able to work properly. Yeah, so thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for next week where we will talk about different types of breakfast. So until another video, as would I say, another day, another law, out here we are doing it every day.